Hey guys, today we're gonna look at a little bit of a history in communication. So, well, I'm pretty sure many people knows what the hell is what I'm just holding in my hands. It's not that old thing. It's not an alarm clock, hint hint. This is the pager. So, the reason I have this pager, because this is actually my first pager. And this pager, and this is the holster of the pager, called Motorola Scriptor LX4, I actually was programming myself and developing the paging system with it. So, story goes, in 99, 98, me and my buddy, we developed paging system in our hometown. We were students at the time, and we were super keen to do something, cool and things like that. And we developed the paging system, which was utilizing the UHF frequency, I think 463 in Ukraine, for the paging system, and there was POXAC protocol running 2400 baud, I think. Yeah, it's big memory at the time. So I was actually, my buddy was developing database and all this synchronization stuff, and client side of it, I was actually developing the part which actually was packaging stuff and sending out in the air. So the solution was pretty simple at the time, and yeah, I developed POXAC protocol implementation pretty quickly, and used the serial RS-232 actually for outputting data to the transmitter. Yeah, it was actually pretty good, and then did some level changing, like from plus minus 12 volt to TTL levels and things like that. But some small hardware. But yeah, it was cool actually. It was cool at the time. It was a cool project. I'm actually proud. I was a student actually, and it was working for a really long time, all the way to the point it was replaced by cellular communication. So what's but the reason I actually wanna talk about it and show what the pager is, because there are many people who actually, like younger generation, I guess, doesn't know what the pager is and what it is and how it works. So essentially, 2 words how it works. So you have a computer, yeah, you send a message. No, scratch that. So you want to send message to someone. There is no cell phones like we have today. So what do? You take a regular landline, you call a special number, you say a message, call me, and someone at the other side, other end of the phone, type the message in the computer, and this computer will be connected to the transmitter, and that message would be transmitted over the air to the specific number. So when you send a message for someone, you say a number. So for example, my number at the time was 2048. My buddy's number was 1024. So yeah, it was 4-digit numbers, so we decided to take powers of the 2 numbers. So we this number correspond to unique pager. It will be programmed in a pager. All pagers listen to all messages at the time, but only display the messages which are applicable to you. It's kind of funny, but yeah, that's how it used to work. All messages were out in the air, and all pagers were essentially listening. So it was a protocol. First there is a preamble, then there is a number, then there is a message, and there is some synchronization stuff, a little bit of here and there. So every pager essentially could have listened to every message. We could have probably just hacked the pager to do that, technically, or that was very easy. There was no any kind of security built in, so you could have just listened to all air communication with some sort of UHF transmitter receiver, and just decode everything and just know what's going on. But you need to know who's who. That's the biggest problem, right? If you don't know who is who, you may hear some messages, but anyways, was like zero security at the time. Maybe modern pagers could have, you know, more modern than this one, or more modern systems, but at the time that's what you had. So what is pager? Essentially this is a little receiver, processor and screen. Receives the message, process it, display on the screen. Pretty simple. It had also alarm clock. It has also a watch or clock, obviously. Probably you could have saved some messages as like to-do and reminders and things like that, as far as I remember. So do you guys want to see what's inside? Well, I actually don't remember seeing what's inside this pager. Forgot, maybe. Alright, so this pager have to... Whoa, this is crazy. I'm curious how old is this battery. Holy smokes. Yep, probably dead. You know what, let's give it a try. Oh, sorry, I think this is the power button. Yeah, it's that. Okay, let's... So it's a really crusty pager because I was using it a lot for many years, and then after that I actually bring it with me to Canada, just for the reason it was kind of sentimental to me and things like that, and I decided to just keep it, and I was using for a long time as an alarm clock. It's pretty noisy little thing. So it was nice alarm clock, believe it or not. Okay, as far as I remember, it opens up like that. You have to like... Yeah, I have to like... Oops! Nice. Oh no! Did I broke it? Whatever, if I broke it, whatever. No, I did broke it. That's stupid of me. First I remember it was opening up like that. It probably was too old, that's why it broke so easily. I think it was opening up like that. Now it's coming all together. But I broke it. Damn it. It's coming. It's coming. Maybe it was already busted. Okay. Oh my god. Old crud here. It's pretty dirty. Not sure what's up on this side. There are a few catches over here. I think I know what's going on. I need to do something like that. Maybe I should start on this side first. It's actually supposed to disassemble pretty easily. I don't know why it's having such a... Oh yeah, here we are. So should have started on this side first. Whoa! Okay guys, it's pretty dirty inside, so sorry. And it's probably all, you know, crust. I actually put it on or in or whatever around. So what do we have here? Look at this antenna. I love it. Look at this antenna. It's pretty cool. So I honestly do not know. Made in Mexico. That's awesome. I don't know what the 161. Okay, I was wrong about 430. It actually operates in 161 1250 megahertz. Yeah, I guess. Sorry, memory fails me. So 161. Interesting. Oh wow, look at this. Ooh, that's probably a receiver unit. This is Philips. Yeah, I'm not an expert in this kind of electronic stuff, but this is Philips receiver probably. Cool. 53 megahertz quartz over here, resonator. Not much going on. Pretty double-sided board. Nicely, actually, you know, it's pretty old stuff, but it's look pretty nice. I like it. This is Motorola CPU of some sort. It just has this Let me read. SC4398 CPU 3980 4398. Again, I'm not a big expert, but it's probably pretty common CPU. There is a little battery. This is a resonator for real-time clock. This is memory probably. It totally looks like memory. I don't know what the hell is this. Some kind of it sits around big caps and what's the name of it? And choke, and probably this is related to power management. Right, we go in. Oh my god, it's so dirty here. I don't know how to remove this. Yeah, it's probably glued. I want to look inside what's in that unit inside this LCD, because looks like my LCD over here started blooming. I don't know how you say it, but essentially it's deteriorating, so it's not gonna live forever. This is some... No. Can I just... Yeah, I totally can. Okay, it's glued, clearly glued. There is nothing in there actually. Anyway, so I'm probably not gonna pull it because I would like to have this pager operational in case I want to. I don't know if it's ever gonna be possible, but I have an idea right now, because someone promised no protocol hard-coded in this thing. So technically, if I would be able to put this one on what it says, 161.12.50, probably I would be able to, talk to the pager, probably. But, I mean, I don't know, it's probably a license banned over here in Canada or something. You need to kind of figure this out. Because it could be illegal or something like that. But just for giggles to experiment, it could be possible. Alright, this is pretty much all it's here. This is a little speaker. Oh yeah, by the way, this is vibration motor over here. It was actually vibrating like no tomorrow, believe me. The battery lasted for quite a long time, despite the fact it was constantly listening. Yeah, battery was lasting a really long time. I don't remember, probably like a few weeks. I honestly don't remember by now. But by the way, those two chips over here, this is programming interface. Like those two, I think it's serial, because in order to, you have to program the number over here. So this guy has to know that you are, for example, 24/8 or 1024 or whatever. So that it was... I'm wondering what the hell are these? Like this is... It's like... This... Is it like little lights? I don't freaking believe it. It could be lights, but I don't believe it, because it's like, could you just use LEDs? This look like an incandescent little light bulb. It looks like fuse, but why would you have a little cutout right underneath the fuse here or here? There is no high voltage here. There is no like some crazy discharge thing to actually have a cutout. No freaking way. If this is the actually lights, yep, it's totally lights, because I think there is a light guide right underneath. This is crazy, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I have to power this thing up. I totally have to power it up now. Actually, I might have been wrong about the... Oh no, battery's contact over here. Okay, so this goes like that, and we have this is the receiving part. Have a pager. So here we are. This is inside of the pager. This is like was high tech of 90s, end of 90s. Pager for you. A little bit broken now. I can. Yeah, look at this. Look at these bits and pieces of a pager. So what left? What left? We need to power this up. Unfortunately, we cannot power it from our USB thing, so I have to find a battery. Be back. Alright, here's our pager bits and pieces. Let's quickly put it together. Stopwatch. Click, click, clack, click, clack, click, clack, click. Okay, I already started doing something wrong. So this is supposed to... How the hell is it supposed to go? And probably like that. Like this. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, this is the pretty much main unit. Very nice package. I love this rubber thingy. So not gonna flap any breeze. Like, well, yeah, it's nice and solid. Everything is like, not gonna rattle or anything like that. Love it, love it. It's just a good design. Motorola did some cool things. Well, always loved Motorola, one of the companies. I actually wanted to work in Motorola. It was when I working on these things, I was actually dreaming working in Motorola. It'll be cool. It's one of the amazing companies to work with. So much cool things they developed. Not gonna put all this. That's enough. Alright, moment of truth. Yeah. Oh my god, obviously clock. It even says my name here. Oh my gosh, I still remember. Yep, it works, obviously. Well, it has Cyrillic interface, currently Russian, so we can turn it, shut it down, main menu, shut it down, put a vibration. Oops. Oh yeah, that's some kick-ass vibration here. I will just keep playing with this thing all the time. It's very loud. This thing was very loud. You can hear it like a mile away. What there? After shutdown, date and time, and wow, it has different whoa! I remember when just people got pagers and first cell phones. That was so annoying when someone in the bus keep flipping through their own mail, like songs and ringtones. It was hell of an annoying thing. But anyways, yeah. But this brings some memories, hey? Beep. Anyway, oh, love it. I love it. Still works. How many years? Almost 20 years, eh? Yep, pretty cool. So I think this is it for now. More experiments gonna come later. I hope I'll figure out how to power up and send the messages to this thing. I know my number. I think I need to figure out if I can reprogram it through these two contacts as I showed you earlier. I'm not sure what kind. It's like obviously something serial, but is it TTL or whatever? Here I do not know. So what kind of programmer, serial programmer for this thing required? This is drivers, like it's a long lost somewhere, but I bet someone still has it somewhere in the internet. Alright, so this is Motorola Scriptor LX4 for you. A little piece of long forgotten technology. Thank you guys for watching.